Okay, her spray thingy is not working good.
No, it's not the spray thing, it's just the faucet thing here.
Yeah.
Give me something I can dig this out with.
Yeah.
Come on. Oh, don't tear the screen.
Sure. She had some rubber pieces in it. Probably due for a new one, but she wants to operate on it here. It's probably full of minerals.
It is, see?
Yeah.
Cookies in it. It needs to come.
Rinse.
I don't know if that'll come out of there or not.
Rinse that one.
I'm trying. Oh, the screen is just crumbling. Look at that.
Yeah.
Okay. It's just crumbling.
What was it doing that you noticed there was something wrong?
It's splattering out.
Oh, it was coming out the sides, huh?
No, it wasn't coming out the sides. It's coming out the bottom, you know. But it was just.
Yeah, it was spraying out the
spraying,
sides.
You know. Instead of coming down in a aerated stream, it was coming down all cockeyed and spraying out the sides. See, it's all broken up.
See, the whole top of her screen there is cracking up.
Yeah, it's the whole thing. And I'm just brushing it with a old toothbrush, soft toothbrush, trying to get the rubber off of it. And yeah, it's going to need a new screen.
Yeah. I can run over there now.
You want to run down?
I'll take a second.
Look at that. Just, it's crumbling.
Yeah.
I'll go with you. We'll take it with us. Okay? Maybe we can get a new washer, too. I don't know.
Well, yeah.
Because one of the washers is crumbling.
I think it comes with the whole part.
I don't know. Okay?
Yeah. The whole part just kind of screws up in there.
Yeah. Look at that. It's just, the screen crumbled.
I've never seen that before.
Usually they're a wire screen anyway.
Yeah.
This one isn't. This one's plastic, I think. Yeah, I think it's just plastic. Alright. Get shoes on and we'll go for a ride.
Okay, so we went to Lowe's and got a
new one.
Got a new thingy. We just let the
we can get the tape off.
we just let the salesman pick it out.
It's easier to ask them where stuff is than to run around the store looking.
So there was tape on it.
Yeah, there's a piece of tape on there.
Don't let the guts fall out. You never get it back together. What's it look like in there? Here, show us. So it's all plastic and clean.
Mm-hmm. Unlike the old one.
Okay, so
it should screw right up in. Come on, baby. Oh, no more splatter. Look at that. It wasn't coming out up here, it was coming out, spraying down here outsides.
okay.
Alright.
See ya.
Yay!